Each commencement, members of the university administration and faculty are invited to nominate students for the honor of delivering a brief address on behalf of the graduating class. Today's speaker is JoAnna Cordova of Kearney. JoAnna is a shining example of a graduate whose path to her degree has been both unique and inspiring. She graduated from Aurora High School and then attended the University of Nebraska-Lincoln for 2 years. From 1996 to 2001, she worked as Assistant Child Care Director for Kearney's Pumpkin Patch Child Care Center, and she also worked toward her undergraduate degree at UNK. In 1999, she received her Bachelor of Arts with an elementary education major and a minor in early childhood special education. From 2001 to 2002, she worked in Lexington as an educator for the Even Start Family Literacy Program. In 2002, she returned to campus as Center Director and Preschool Teacher of the UNK Child Development Center, a licensed facility that provides child care and early childhood education experiences for children 6 weeks through 6 years of age, whose parents are UNK students or members of the faculty or staff. She has made tremendous contributions in her role at the center and is a recipient of the University of Nebraska Board of Regents Kudos Award, the highest award given to non-faculty employees. In addition to family and work and studies, JoAnna serves as president of the Kearney Area Chamber of the National Association for the Young Children. This morning, she will receive a Master of Arts in Education with a major in Curriculum and Instruction, Early Childhood Education. Please welcome JoAnna Cordova to speak on behalf of the summer graduates of 2019. Jo.
Good morning. Board of Regents members O'Connor, Pillen, Kenny, Interim President-elect and Provost Fritz, Chancellor Christensen, members of the administration and faculty, guests, family, friends, and fellow graduates, I am honored to represent the 2019 graduating class of the University of Nebraska at Kearney. You'll have to forgive me if I seem a little bit out of my comfort zone up on the stage. I'm used to an audience of 4-year-olds, and they really think I can sing well. This is considerably different. I'm not going to sing for you. You're welcome. Today, as we look back at our time at UNK, each of us had our own path, our own journey, but we all have the same outcome, graduation. We are now ready to head out and conquer the world. But before we take that step, I would like to tell you a little bit about my experience with the UNK family. Yes, family. Believe it or not, you have become a part of another family. It is this family that has given you knowledge and support to go out into the world and make your mark. My initiation into the UNK family started with enrolling to receive my bachelor's degree in elementary education and early childhood special education. What I learned while I was completing that process was it was not just about getting a degree. It was about finding my passion, doing the best I could, and being proud of my accomplishment. It was about setting the bar high and then attaining the skills to go get it. Having transferred from another educational institution, I can tell you that way of thinking is not always the norm. I found the faculty members at UNK to be such a great wealth of information. Their expectations are high, but they provide the knowledge and support for you to become successful. You should never doubt that every faculty member on this campus is cheering you on and working very hard to give you the tools to be successful. My professors had confidence in me and my abilities when I did not yet have that confidence. I learned to work hard and have pride in what you do, and I thank them for that experience. In 2002, I jumped onto another branch of the UNK family tree. and became the director of the UNK Child Development Center. What I saw in my position was a job. No, it was a challenge. I jumped right in and started to wade through a little bit of chaos, a lot of paperwork. I began enrolling children and hiring staff. It was all business to begin with, but then I found people, wonderful, amazing people that were willing to do almost anything to help the program out. People came from out of the woodwork with offers of help. There were even days when then Human Sources Director John Lakey helped with the children at nap time. What I learned very quickly was UNK was not just about setting the bar higher. It was about helping your fellow colleagues to get to that bar and even farther. Working in the UNK family meant going above and beyond what was in your job description and helping someone that may desperately need it. This took Loper family to a whole new meaning for me. In my time as director of the UNK Child Development Center, I have also come to appreciate the unsung heroes, the people that students do not typically cross paths with. These are the people that make this campus go. Even when you think there is no way possible, these amazing people find a way and do it with pride every day. People like Chelsea Swarm, Sonia Darvo, Russ Bergston, Sonia Grove, Meredith DeHaven, and Chris Madsen. These people are some of the best at UNK. They are always willing to do whatever is asked of them. So, to these people and all the other heroes that make UNK what it is today, I say thank you. Thank you for helping make every UNK student's campus experience the best it can be. Now, as I started work on my master's degree, once again, the faculty members of the College of Education became an important aspect of my world. This time was different, though, because not only were they my instructors, but they were also colleagues for various projects that I became involved with on campus. I can report that not only are the faculty members at UNK great instructors, they are also very impressive when it comes to participating on committees and boards. They truly take the vision of UNK to heart and work very hard to make that vision become reality. I am so grateful for the knowledge I have gained, the hard work completed, and the relationships I have built with the UNK faculty members. As I leave UNK, I know that I am ready for my next step in my story, but I am also happy that my family's UNK experience will continue in the fall. My niece will start as a freshman on this campus. I hope she has a wonderful experience, but I also hope she is mindful of the number of people, not just in our family, but in her new Loper family, that are cheering her on and ready to help her build those skills to make her successful in life. There is an African proverb that is used in early childhood. It says, "It takes a village to raise a child." My fellow graduates, we have been part of a wonderful village that gave us the tools to go out and achieve our goals. Congratulations on your success. As we leave here today, my challenge to you is to go out and become a part of a new village. Become the person that is always ready to help and always ready to support your fellow colleagues. Become the person that will do whatever it takes to make that village thrive. Remember, a child that is raised by a village is only as successful as the village itself. Thank you.